Let's make an Outrigger #1. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming the glass. And the official glass is a cocktail glass. Some people call them martini glasses. You can also use a coupe probably if you'd like. To rim this, I'm actually going to wipe the edge along the inside of a fresh lemon. And this is something I've never done before, but somebody suggested it, a friend of mine suggested it. And then you let that dry a little bit, and then the rim should turn out better. Let's see, because it's sugar. It's a sugar rim. And it turned out just about like my rims normally do. Not great, but I'll practice. Now that our glass is rimmed, I'm going to set it to the side, set my sugar to the side, or in front of me, and I'm going to get my shaker. And we're going to start by putting 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice in our shaker. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, or other orange liqueur works too. Finally, 2 ounces of your aged rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Grab some ice, add some ice, and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this into my glass. Get all this to the side, and garnish. The garnish is a twist of orange, which I pre-twisted. Bray, I'm not going to wipe, but I am going to drop it in there, because wiping would ruin the rim, which I don't want to do. And there you have it, an Outrigger #1. Drink with good spirits.